News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in National Institute of Science Education and Research, Bhubaneswar, National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration, National Rural Infrastructure Development Agency, National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited, Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gorakhpur University, Gorakhpur, and Directorate of Forest Education. National Institute of Science Education and Research NISER Bhubaneswar has been set up at Jatni in Khurda district of Odisha by the Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India as a unique institution of its kind pursuing undergraduate and postgraduate education in sciences combined with frontline research. NISER is planning to start a course on Masters in Medical and Radiological Physics from Homi Bhabha National Institute, Mumbai. NISER invites application from Indian citizens for the following scientific officer positions to be filled by direct recruitment basis for its Center for Medical and Radiation Physics. 1 post of Scientific Officer Medical Physics, 3 posts of Scientific Officer Physics, 1 post of Scientific Officer Electronics, and 1 post of Scientific Officer C, Medical Physics or Radiation Biology or Nuclear Medicine. The applicants should apply online through the website www.niser.ac.in on or before 10th June 2021. National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration NIEPA deemed to be university established by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India is a premier institution dealing with capacity building and research in planning and management of education not only in India but also in South Asia. In recognition of the pioneering work done by the organization in the field of educational planning and administration, the Government of India have empowered it to award its own degrees by way of conferring it the status of deemed to be university in August 2006. NIEPA is fully maintained by the Government of India. The National Institute has its origin dating back to 1962 when the UNESCO established the Asian Regional Center for Educational Planners and Administrators, which later became the Asian Institute of Educational Planning and Administration in 1965. After 4 years of its existence, it was taken over by the Government of India and renamed as the National Staff College for Educational Planners and Administrators. Subsequently, with the increased roles and functions of the National Staff College, particularly in capacity building, research and professional support services to governments, it was again renamed as the National Institute of Educational Planning and Administration NIEPA in 1979. The institute invites applications for 1 post of finance officer on direct recruitment or deputation basis. Eligible candidates may apply as per the valid format of the institute uploaded on the website. The duly signed downloaded copy of the completed application submitted through online portal must reach the concerned authority within 3 weeks from the closing date by courier or speed post or by hand only, along with necessary enclosures. The institute reserves the right to alter or insert any corrections or additions in the advertisement or website in the event of any typographical error, etc., before the last date prescribed for the receipt of online applications, for which the candidates are advised to be in the lookout for announcements in the website www.niepa.ac.in. The online portal will remain open up to 23rd June 2021 till 5 p.m. National Rural Infrastructure Development Agency invites applications for appointment on deputation or contract basis and internship as per the following. 2 posts of Assistant Director FNA on deputation basis, 2 posts of Senior Consultant on contract basis, 1 post of Consultant Rajbhasha on contract basis, and 13 posts of interns on contract or temporary basis. Detailed internship scheme is available on the website of NRIDA. Applicants applying on contract basis and for internship should submit their application through email at nridavacancies@gmail.com. Last date of receipt of application in NRIDA is 18th June 2021. For detailed eligibility criteria and application format, please visit the website www.pmgsy.nic.in. National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited requires IT professionals on contract basis. The detail of the post is as under: 2 posts of cyber security expert, 1 post of database expert, 1 post of web developer, 1 post of senior web developer, 1 post of senior mobile app developer, and 1 post of PSD system developer. Last date of receipt of application will be 20 days from the date of issue of vacancy notice or as mentioned in the detailed vacancy notice on NCRTC website. This is an indicative advertisement. For more detail about experience, eligibility criteria, application form, information regarding addition or deletion of post or disciplines, amendments and corrigendum, kindly visit career section of NCRTC website www.ncrtc.in. Deen Dayal Upadhyay Gorakhpur University, Gorakhpur invites online applications from interested candidates for the following vacant posts: 23 posts of professor, 50 posts of associate professor, 4 posts of assistant professor, 1 post of librarian, 1 post of deputy librarian, 2 posts of doctor, 1 post of engineer, civil or electrical, 1 post of programmer, and junior engineer, civil or electrical 3 posts in university, and assistant librarian 1 post, administrative officer 2 posts, cataloger 1 post, junior assistant 3 posts in Mahayogi Guru Shri Gorakshnath Shodhpeeth. Online applications are also invited for assistant professor 14 post temporary for information technology, computer science and engineering, electronics and communication, electrical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering and MEA in Institute of Engineering and Technology, and assistant professor 18 post temporary for genetics and plant breeding, horticulture, agriculture economics, agriculture engineering, agriculture entomology and zoology, agriculture extension, plant pathology, agronomy and MBA agribusiness in Institute of Agriculture and Natural Sciences. The last date for filling online applications is 28th June 2021. The last date for receipt of applications in the office is 30th June 2021. Detailed information is available on the university website www.ddugu.ac.in. The Directorate of Forest Education had invited applications for various vacant anticipated posts in the prescribed pro forma by deputation in the Directorate of Forest Education and its constituent academies under the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change White Circular dated 19th January 2021 and advertised in Employment News 20th to 26th February 2021. The last date for receipt of applications is hereby extended for further period of 30 days from the release of this advertisement. For more details including eligibility, please visit the website at www.dfe.gov.in. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi, and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.